G'day guys, it's Ben again, here to bring you another video, and this one is going to look at the compound bow. Alrighty, so a fantastic bow for beginners. A lot of guys still hunt with this as they get further into the sport. We all like different things. Personally, my favourite bow is a traditional longbow, but I'm also very much familiar with recurves and compound bows. So in this particular video I want to go right through the different parts of the compound bow so that we can get a good understanding of how it all works together, what the different parts are, potentially a little bit of care and maintenance in there as well. Alrighty guys, so let's get into it. Okay guys, compound bow. Righto. Let's start with the simple things. This section just here is the grip. Okay. Now this is only a relatively recent bow. I've not long taken it out of the plastic, so I haven't necessarily got it quite set up the way that it may be used in the future. There are accessory points for things like sights and so on. I personally don't use at the moment, and this is more for my kids as they develop their own techniques anyway. So let's keep going. Alrighty, these two at the top and the bottom of the bow are the cams. This is obviously the bowstring. We've got finger rests here. These are the arms, so top arm and bottom arm of the bow. On the rear side we have the, this is like a built-in quiver, and this in particular case can take 4 arrows. Obviously there are some out there which can take more. And this particular bow is from a company called Apex Hunting. And the only other main part to mention here is just the two limb bolts here. So you can replace, certainly on some compound bows, you can replace the limbs if they were to damage or whatever. But personally, I think if you look after them, they're pretty much good to go. In terms of maintenance, I like to keep mine dust and mud free. I just think that's the way to go, really. Keep it out of UV light. So ideally you can store them in some really good hard cases you can get from Asia and so on. They're not too expensive, and it's a great way to be able to keep something that's potentially a little bit dangerous out of reach and so on of kids. Particularly, you know, not ideal to use something like this to solve sibling rivalry. But there we go. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share. And I'll catch you in my next video.